Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie, and today I am going to be reviewing some tape-ins. So if you guys have been with me for a while, y'all know that I recently reviewed some tape-ins off of Amazon. If you're interested in seeing that video, I will link it right up here in the cards. But today I'm going to be reviewing these tape-ins that I have in right now, and they were sent to me from a company called WingsbyHerGivenHair. This is the Kinky straight texture. So if you guys are interested in seeing me install and review these tape-ins, let you guys know what I think about them, then make sure you keep watching. I just washed and flat ironed my hair yesterday. This is how we're looking. You always want to start on freshly washed hair. Make sure your hair is clean, free of oils, and if I do say so myself, I did a pretty good job at pressing out my hair yesterday. So the tape-ins I'm going to be using today were sent to me from a company called WingsbyHerGivenHair. They sent me 20-inch tape-ins, y'all. Now they do send you 2 of these information cards. On the back of one of them, it tells you the recommended products to use. So when you get your tape-ins, they are going to come packaged like this. I took them out of the package, and this is how they are looking. Really pretty. Each bundle is very full. I believe it's 20 tapes in each of these, so one pack gives you 40 tapes. This hair feels really soft. It's not tangled at all, as you guys. I'm not going to show you guys like the full installation. If you guys are interested in seeing me fully install clip-ins into my hair, I will link a video right up here in the cards for you guys showing where I did go through all of the steps. So this one is just going to be like a really shortened version of that, and then I'm going to show you guys different ways that you can style your hair with these tape-ins. Okay, y'all, so I have installed the clip-ins, and this is how it is looking. So this is how everything looks. This is how long it is. Now I will let you guys know that I did cut some of the ends, and I only cut a little bit, maybe an inch, and I did that so that it could blend in with my hair and so that my actual hair could just look like layers. To be honest with y'all, this hair blends in so well with my hair that it's hard to tell what's my hair and what's not. But I want to say, girl, I don't even know. All of this right here is my hair. Yeah, because I don't have any clips. I only have one clip on each side of my head. So all of this is my hair. I just cut it so that it would like gradually blend in with my hair, and I feel like it looks really good. I didn't even use a whole pack of tape-ins, y'all. I didn't use any of the second pack at all, and this is how much I have left of the first pack. If I were to buy like one bundle of tape-ins, I will only use like half of it. I did that intentionally because I didn't want it to look like so thick, especially being that I am going to want to put my hair up into a ponytail, up into a bun. I mainly like to use tape-ins just to add fullness, volume, not necessarily for length. Let me show you guys the back. I'm not really exactly sure how the back is looking, so it could be looking crazy, who knows. One thing I can say about this hair is it is very, very soft. But what I love the most about it, like I've already told you guys, is how well it blends in with my hair. Like the sheen on it isn't too much. The shine is basically like the same as my hair. My hair might be just like a little bit shinier. I didn't dye my hair, and I also did not dye the tape-ins, and I still feel like it's a really, really good match. You can put this hair all up into a ponytail. You can do half up, half down. You can part it however you want. At least the way that I installed my tape-ins, you can. On the sides, I only did one tape-in, so I literally only have one on each side, like here. And as you can see, I didn't part it straight. I parted it at an angle so that once I put it up into a ponytail, it lays flat and it's not bothering me. But I can literally part my hair however I want. So if I decided that I wanted to do a side part, easily I could do a side part. If I want to put my hair up into a half up, half down, I can do that easily. So here's my hair in a half up, half down style. So this is how it looks in the back. It's very comfortable. It's not uncomfortable at all. But you can also put it all up into one ponytail. I can see I can put it into a ponytail. It's very nice and natural. Just want to show y'all both sides, show you guys the back. So you can see you're not seeing any tapes. If y'all are interested in seeing me like curl this hair and just like really style it up, let me know down below in the comments and I can make a separate video for you. You can literally style these tape-ins just like you would your own hair, because they just lay so flat and they kind of just move with your hair. So if you guys have any questions for me at all, leave them down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this hair. I actually really love it, and I'm gonna try my best to keep these tape-ins in for at least a month. I do also want to try to wash my hair with the tape-ins in them, just so that I can give you guys some idea on how it is to like maintain them, how it works like when you wash it. But that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to WingsbyHerGivenHair for sending this hair over. I absolutely love it. If you guys like this type of content, as always, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because I see a lot of y'all watching and y'all are not subscribed. So click that subscribe button down below. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on so that you don't miss it anytime a new video goes up. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.